Right, Ian, I'm going to go through all this. Your two main tools that you need are a 16-inch spanner, 16mm spanner, 10mm socket. Yeah, that's the tool that you've got. Yeah, that's the spreader bit attachment. They're your unions, male and female. Yeah. Okay. And then there's two different settings that you need to do on this. One of them's a bell, which the bell is for the female. Yeah. And the male, which will be on there. Yeah. So they make a joint together, and I'm going to show you how to do these. Okay. So get your piece of pipe, whatever it is you're using. Yeah. So you get your tool, tighten that down, hand tighten these down. Yeah. Only you don't have to do it with the what's it. Yeah. So put your pipe in. Yeah. Until it stops, and that's the whole point of this, is for them. Don't know if you can see inside there to show you. So it stops against that, that's your stopper. Yeah. So once that's in there, you tighten these down. Yeah. So the stopper needs to stay where it is. Tighten these up. Tight. Yeah. Take that out. And then depending on which one you're going to do, yeah, is that one is for your bell, which goes in the female, and that one goes on to the male. So we'll use that one. Yeah. So you screw that in. Yeah. And then tighten up. And this is why, because it's when you're on the car, you can do it while you're on the car, you see. Okay, that's that done. Now what I've tended to find with this is sometimes you might need to just push it in there just that little bit more, just to make sure it gets a good pressing. Yeah, so you might be able to just give it that little bit more. Yeah, and tighten it down. That's only sometimes it happens. Yeah, and then just tighten it up again. Now keep it greased, this thing, while it's in the stored away. Yeah, see, that's just cut it a little bit more. Yeah, so then so you've screwed that right down, so you've clamped that, squashed it inside there. Yeah, so all I'm going to do now is take that back out, undo them, just finger tighten that out, and then get out of it. You see that? And then that, obviously, if I cut that off there, stay straight. Let's see if I can keep hold of that now. I don't know if I can. So if I cut that off there, yeah, so that'll give us the one that goes in there, yeah. See that? And then I'm gonna put the blanket back in here again. Yeah. Put the pipe in. Yeah, to the stopper. Now remember, if you were doing this, you need to put them on first. Yeah? Make sure you put them on first. Yeah. I better show you how to do that. Right, I better do that first so I can just... Right, because obviously we're gonna... make sure you put them on. Because the amount of times you'll do it and then go, oh fuck, I forgot to put that on, you, and end up cutting it off. Right, so if it's on the car, obviously you have to put your... what's it on, yeah? So putting that in there, tighten that back up again. Yeah. It looks fiddly, but it's not. That out of there. So now we're going to use that side of it to spread. Yeah. So that goes back in there. And then go through that process again. Hopefully it's done in one go. Just to make sure. Just give it that extra push in. And tighten it again. Just to make sure you get that good form. Yeah. And tighten again. Just gives it that extra. Yeah. Just to get that good. Yeah. Okay, so that's that done. Screw that out. You come off again. Should give us our bellows in, which it has. Yeah, so that goes in there, nice. So then that goes in there, and they tighten up together, and that gives you your join, and that's it. Oh. Yeah, so that goes on your male, that goes on your female, so then obviously them two come together. I'll show you, and then tighten down together to make your seal inside. Yeah, see that? Just like I say, if they're on the car, make sure you put these on first, because you can guarantee it always fucking happens. You forget to put them on and you have to cut it off and do it again. But there you go. So that's how that works. Yeah, that's it, Ian.